Hi, today I'm going to talk about the else if statements. First, I'm going to comment out these codes. These are the codes that we did in our last video. And if I ever want to come back to this code, I can just uncomment them. And that's why I set up the shortcut for the comment selections in our previous video. So first, I'm going to create a divider here. I'm going to call this else if statements. Now, conditional. Now, else if statements are decision making codes. So based on the program, the program runs based on the decision that is true. So the program runs based on the decision that's true. So here we have if true, then statements runs. So this is basically the basic structure of the if statement. So if runs, if true, statement runs. The else if statements have operators, and they are relational operators and logical operators. Now the relational operators are equal to, not equal to, greater, less than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So these are the relational operators. And for the logical operators, we have and we have or. So when we use the if statements, we start with if. Let's say we have we can do 1 if 1 is equal to 1. You can say if 1 is equal to 1, see out end line. True. Else cout false. Oops. Okay. So if this statement's true, then this statement runs, else this statement is going to run. And since 1 is equal to 1, this would be true. Let's run this program. And here you can see true printed out. We can also do an else if here. Now, only one of these are going to run when you've put them together. Otherwise, if you were to put if here and if here, both of these are going to run. So instead of running both of these, the if and the else if statements are going to run either one or the other. So let's say if this is false, then this runs. If this is false also, then this runs. Now, this is just comparing numbers. You can compare data types. Let's say int 1 equals 1 and 2 equals 2. So you can also compare data types 1 and 2. So integer 1 is not going to be equal to integer 2. So this one's going to skip. And then else if this is going to be true. This if 1 is equal to 1 is true, then the statement runs, and we're going to run this program. And here you can see true 2. So true 2 runs. Now, the reason why now there's a now to use the logical operators, we can do and here, and then we can add in 1 equals 1. So if 1 is equal to 1, then although this one is true, this one is false. So both of them are not true. So it's and false and true is not true. They're false. So this one's going to skip. And here we have 2 equals 2. Now this one's true and this one's true. So it's going to run. So true 2 is going to run again. Let's run this program, and here you can see true 2. Now if we were to put or here, this one's going to run. Even though this one's true, it's going to be skipped. And this is also going to be skipped because only one of these gets to run. So let's run this program. Here you can see true 1 display. And the reason why true 1 is displayed is because only one of these has to be true. That's why there's an or logical operator here. And I think this is it for today, and thank you for watching.